Hi and welcome back to another lesson. Today's lesson is building compost bin and landfill models. Vocabulary. Model, a simplified version of an object, usually on a smaller scale. Landfill, a place where we bury garbage in the ground, sometimes referred to as the dump. Cycle of matter. The law of return. Do you guys remember we read about this in our last lesson? If you take it out of the garden, put it back into the garden. What are we going to add to our compost bin? We're going to keep it super simple. For greens, we're going to add fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee, tea bags, crushed eggshells, and living plant material. For browns, we're adding shredded paper, straws, soil or dirt, and dead plant material. What shouldn't we put in our compost bin? We should not put meat and dairy because it makes it smell bad and then it attracts pests. No sticky labels and plastic because they don't break down. Pet waste. It may contain unhealthy bacteria. Glossy paper. It's coated in chemicals. What type of containers should we use for our bins? Any clear recycled container will do. Let's build. For our journal entry, we're going to be writing, how do you think your containers will change over that next week? What do you think they look like next week? Do you think they look different from each other? Which container demonstrates the law of return and why? Don't forget to add your title, the weather, your mood, and the date. So I'll see you next week for layer 3. Why do we compost? Thank you for joining me on another lesson.